too late now.
100%. Can't go up there. It's a little bit of a hard one.
Yeah, I don't know where it's going to take you. What, off and on it?
Probably.
Press the rocks and come back on.
Were you saying you like to see me battle?
I was saying it's good to see you battle. That means I didn't get you bad.
Did you battle as well?
But every time you hit a rock, bounce you back. Start again. Momentum again.
Yep.
There was a good spot that just like all of it was deep.
Yeah. I don't know where.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting the soft sand at the bottom there. Hmm?
Luckily my one is clear.
Yeah. Problem is I just hit a rock, so I had no momentum. So that's why I just try to feather the clutch and
I think you're on the best route, like my best route from where I am. We're just gonna go.
So what I'm gonna do, because it's quite a long run, I'm gonna sit.
This is where I broke my nuts. Up there somewhere.
Just in front. No, right here.
Is it here somewhere?
That rock hinge in the center there?
Yes, that's what it was.
Yeah.
That's fine. It's somewhere. And I'm pretty sure you did the same thing when you got that there too. I'm just warming her up for when she breaks my testicle.
You did that quite easily. Let's see if we can follow. You made that look a little easy. Question is, can I do the same thing?
No, because you found the deepest part of the river.
My wheel's still on the fucking rock. It counts.
Okay, so now it's I just basically gotta cut whatever path feels best for you.
Pretty much.
I'm basically gonna cover it very in more center.
Like center of the waterfall.
Center on the waterfall, then center of the waterfall, and then there. I don't know if I'm gonna go left or right.
Okay, so what I was thinking, right? I'm gonna like sit a little bit offset here, right? First waterfall, hit center, then drift a little bit left, go up the
That's
center,
what I'm also looking.
and then drift a little right.
In the center of it.
Yeah, and then the third one on the right, I'm gonna try hit the center again.
Yeah, that's
So like this,
in theory.
like this. In theory, but it's nice to discuss. Is it? No, just around the corner where it gets really soft. Where you still came back because I was cutting down a country.
Yes, that's around the corner there.
Kenny is just checking the depth for us.
I was expecting ball in.
So was I.
The way I stepped in, I was like, you're going in and get to the bottom.
The way you stepped in, it was like, I'm committed.
Come on, Shu.
The best part that's on the camera. You can do it for us again. That's a shoe, guys.
Just a little bit.
Stuffed.
But you don't need to shoot around.
No, you don't. So how is it? Hard compact?
Yeah, feels alright.
So what about dropping and just going straight from here?
Well, I'm gonna go up here and
In. I think I'm gonna.
because where you are, you should be fine because you've out of the soft.
Yeah. The center, the where I was quite soft. Hey Ken, it just walked in for me.
But my bike took me right, so we went right.
Right was actually not that bad.
It wasn't that bad. That was a step.
I was not expecting the step up of that step up.
Once my front wheel went through it, I was like, "Oosh!" Back wheel's getting stuck for sure. It was almost like half kicked me off.
All I'm saying is this gummy back. It's evil.
You know how many rides we've had and it finally starting to take a bit of wear off the tire?
Oh yes, because the back tire is the tire.
Yeah.
It's the first tire we bought.
Yeah.
Front is brand new.
Brand new. Even though it's going the wrong direction, the back's going the right direction. It's not like the tire got gearbox confused. I think the last time
there was a lot less water last time as well. So for when this makes it to YouTube, guys, the river was a lot less of a river when we last rode this.
I think you got the best. And actually probably the best way. But I'm gonna go straight where I am.
I think I'm gonna follow you.
Fight to a couple of rocks and then it's clear.
You see, the thing is, where there's more rocks, it feels like it's more dense, the soil. Over there, I feel like it's going to be very soft.
Very soft.
Because I'm sure the last time what we did is we went like this, out, and then up.
Yeah,
and that's where
we came up this rock here.
Yeah.
And then we went across, and then we went across, and then you got stuck somewhere over there.
Okay, let's do it.
I think we're the only people that come this rich.
Well, you helping me dig this bitch up this time.
Oh, you try to even take a different line to me. Oh, yeah, sorry, I screwed you. Because you're lad.
I was sinking straight into your...
No, I know, that's... No, good. said it was going to be easy with all the, it was soft already. Then I had to fast through this. I know we're going to backstone. I think from here, we're doing like we did last time. I think we can either go up the river or cross. Is it in gear or out of gear?
In gear. Should be out. Sorry.
See what you're talking about, your front brake looks perfectly fine. How deep was it going to be? Yeah, there's a few hours already gone.
Must I just open it? What's your suggestion? Just burn it wide open. How are the rocks over here? So if I just from here, just pin it. Well guys, famous last words. Should be fun. Yeah. I do think so too.
I don't remember how.
Sorry, did I hurt you?
I just felt tired on my foot. Take a little bit of.
Well, at least we were correct. It does turn right, and that was the crap area.
I think that's where you got stuck with Jack this last, and that's offset.
Yeah.
And I think I just, because when I turned it up for you the last time.
The best part about that whole video is going to be.
Why are you looking at this car?
Yes, went straight up, eh?
Yeah. Check the trim on my shoe.
Okay guys, so we made it through. Yeah.
Can you classify this as head through?
We're both butts on the stones, so yes. Fell on the stone now. Or do you want to hop back into the river?
No, both.
The only concern is that mud up front was soft. So what I'm thinking, maybe Ken, be smart about it. Go around on the rocks, and then you go straight left, right onto that little island there.
Yeah.
I think that's going to be our easiest option. This guy's pulling like half the river out of his boots. Don't worry, I can feel my boots. There's half the river in them too.
I've got 2 stuck bucks out of the river.
100%. Well, there's also one good thing about this, Ken. The bikes aren't overheating. This is good fun though. This is good fun.
I'll check my phone. I'm gonna pick it.
We did not see that beauty last time.
I was looking forward at Hull.
I'm ignoring Hull at the moment. That might actually help with the side stand.
The next one. Yeah, it didn't help me. I remember we went up the waterfall. Up to water rats the last time.
How's that?
Mine have been running the last time.
Good.
Mine have been running the last time. Take the birds at the top while they're growing nicely, eh?
Just a quiet little river.
Yeah, but you do that out. How many down there? I'm gonna figure it out. Figure it out.